In certain situations, it may be necessary to collect data from a mobile phone. However, a forensic consultant might not be able to attend a custodian's location. For Android phones, we have a solution that allows a custodian to collect the data from their phone themselves. This device will be couriered to the custodian. It's a micro USB and C card reader. There is a micro SD memory card in here which has the forensic application installed. To perform the collection, a custodian must make sure that their phone is fully charged. The phone is put into plane mode so it is not disturbed during the collection. A custodian would simply connect the device into the phone. The light should flash to show that the phone has recognized the device. Now we swipe down and we're going to search for files. We're going to go to My Files. And here what we're going to look for is the USB storage. And here it's reading the card reader that is plugged into the device. We're going to select this. And on the card reader is the oxygenagent.apk file. This is the forensic application. We will now need to click on this to install. And we're going to say install here. The process is quite quick. It should take about 30 seconds. And this will install the application in the same way as downloading an application from the Play Store. It's just reading it from the card reader. Now we're going to open the application. It's going to go through 6 windows and it's just going to need permission to access certain areas of the phone. So we're going to allow the application to access these areas. So allow, and allow. The option that we're going to select now is the very top option to extract to internal external storage. So we're going to click on this option. By default, it should save it to the memory card that is plugged in on the device. So here you should see this option, and then we're just going to select next. It's going to scan the phone quickly and see what data is available for collection. Here, we're just going to select all of the data. For the here, the options that are highlighted in green mean they're very small applications and very small data. In orange, it's of a medium size, and in red, it's very large. For the demonstration, I'm just going to untick the red options. But normally we would want these selected, or your lawyers would have advised what needs to be collected. But you can leave it all checked, and now we're going to click Start. And now the application is going to run. Depending on how much data is on the phone determines the length of time it takes to perform the collection. Once the collection is finished, this window will appear and you can say it's finished. And what we can simply do is click uninstall, and this will uninstall the forensic application from your phone. So uninstall, click OK. And we will get a confirmation that the application has been uninstalled from the device. And now all you simply do is just unplug this and send it back to us so we can provide the lawyers with the content from your phone.